Imagine swapping every single drop of ocean water with pure liquid mercury. To fill Earth's oceans, we'd need over 1.4 billion cubic kilometers of mercury. That's a ridiculous amount. Mercury is 13 times denser than water. The oceans would now weigh over 19 sextillion kilograms. Because of Mercury's crazy density, even a bowling ball would float. But your boat? It might sink, unless it's perfectly built for this. Swimming? Good luck. You'd float like a beach ball, but mercury is toxic, so just maybe don't try. Everything in the ocean would die instantly. Fish, plankton, whales, wiped out in seconds. Evaporation, mercury vapor is toxic and heavy. Your lungs wouldn't stand a chance. That much extra mass would warp the crust, mess with Earth's spin, and might even shatter tectonic plates. Replacing the oceans with mercury sounds awesome, until you realize it's basically liquid metal apocalypse.